Welcome to the future of luxury nature living at Hillock Green, where a collaboration of 3 experienced developers has brought to life a masterpiece that stands as a testament to future modern living. Let's explore 5 reasons why this is going to be an exceptional development. Hillock Green is the result of a collaboration between 3 renowned developers: United Engineers Limited, Soybook Group Holdings Limited, and 4C Holdings Private Limited. Putting together decades of global and local experience and track record, they have created a stunning new development within the Lantau Township development. When experience meets vision, the result is truly exceptional. Hillock Green is strategically located within the Northeast Region URA Master Plan of Singapore, which promises incredible amenities. This includes a new model walking and cycling town, special urban design planning for optimal site use and maximizing porosity and wind corridors, and the potential launch of government land sales for further development. Living here means being part of a well-planned, thriving community. Arguably the best plot in Lantau Hill Township, Hillock Green offers unparalleled convenience. It's directly opposite Lantau MRT Station and Lantau Modern Mall, connected by a fully covered walkway. The unique plot shape also ensures future residents will enjoy breathtaking greenery views of Hillock Green Park. Convenience, accessibility, and natural beauty comes together at Hillock Green. Situated on the rolling green hills, Hillock Green draws its architectural inspiration from nature. It beautifully combines elements of verticality and horizontality, taking cues from the Lantau forest that once enveloped the area. The result is a development that harmonizes with its surroundings using earthy tones and layering. Nature is not just a backdrop here, it's part of the very essence of Hillock Green. Hillock Green's terracing landscape is an innovative feature that creates multi-level planters, sculpting the deck to blend seamlessly with the terrain. It's an integrative floating architecture with sculptural landforms that take your breath away. Stand-up facilities include a grand clubhouse, an entertainment lounge, a karaoke room, a kids' adventure play area, an indoor gymnasium, and a yoga dance studio with breathtaking pool views. Here, you'll find a world of recreation and relaxation right at your doorstep. Hillock Green Condominium is not just a home. It's a lifestyle that embraces nature, convenience, and sophistication. Come, be a part of this remarkable journey and experience the future of luxurious living at Hillock Green. Contact any OrangeTee Tie agent to make an appointment for the public preview from the 28th of October. See you here at Hillock Green.